With your weather bug forecast from coast to coast, I'm meteorologist Gretchen Mishik. Not a cloud in sight as the day was coming to a close over the Chicago area yesterday. Today, though, will be quite a bit different. Folks in these areas will be preparing for some very messy weather in the Chicago area and in many of the surrounding areas. We now have a winter storm warning in effect. An impressive storm system will be taking shape throughout the next couple of days, and heavy snow is anticipated throughout the region. Snowfall totals will be ranging between 7 inches, but even close to a foot in areas stretching from central Iowa down into areas south of the Great Lakes, which will include the Chicago area, central Illinois, Indiana, and into the western portions of Ohio. Further south, much of that precipitation will be coming in the form of rain. Today, we're dealing with quite a bit of wet weather throughout the central and southern plains. A little bit of thunderstorm activity, although not likely to be severe, is possible across portions of Texas. Setting our forecast into motion, of course, watching this area of low pressure as it transitions from the central U.S. toward the Ohio River Valley. Heavy bands of snow popping up in those areas south of the Great Lakes. And then this same storm system will be pushing toward the northeast into early next week. So some of the same areas that dealt with heavy snow, of course, this past week will be getting a couple more inches. Of course, nowhere near the amounts that we saw a couple of days ago, but nonetheless, the last thing we need across the Northeast is more snow. Temperatures today feeling a little more January-like compared to what we've seen recently throughout the upper Midwest, back into the 20s and 30s. 55 in Dallas, 61 in New Orleans with some sunshine today. Warmer but soggier out ahead of that system tomorrow across the southeast. 72 but windy and wet. 45 in St. Louis and 28 as temperatures drop in the Chicago area.